Hello everyone, it's Prabjeet and today we will learn this beautiful braid bun technique. Let's start. We will begin by separating the box section of hair and securing it at the top as showing. Next I'm applying Osa's Shine Spray to enhance the hair shine, and to further tame the baby hairs I'm using hair wax for a smooth finish before styling it into a low ponytail. Next, lift the entire ponytail and secure it with a claw clip, allowing the remaining hair to fall down naturally, or either you fall it down. Gently comb through for a smooth finish, then tie a rubber band at the bottom of the hair. Roll the hair like so, inward to create a bun, as I'm demonstrating in the video, and secure it with the bobby pins. Now spray the tapped hole spray to ensure all the hair stays sleek, secure, and in place for the long-lasting hold. Now let's create a braid using the box section hairs. I'm using this braided thread accessory for adding some extra look to the style. Also, I'll be sharing links to all the products used in this tutorial today, so you can shop them directly. However, feel free to use any thread, lace, or material you have on hand. Just follow the technique. I started with 4 sections initially and then took the second section from the left side and attached the thread and then left it in between. Now with the remaining 3 sections, we will begin the braiding. First, take the thread and cross it over the middle section and leave it. Then move that second strand to the left bottom here and bring the first strand to the middle and placing it on top. Take the thread, cross it over the middle strand and leave it. Now next, move the third strand from the right to the middle and shift the second strand to the right by placing it on top. Just simply repeat this process until you reach the end of the hair length. I know it seems complicated initially, but with the practice, you will master this technique and perfect the style in no time. Here's the final look of this elegant bun, perfect for a bride's mother or any guest attending a special event. I hope you love this style. Don't forget to follow me for more such tutorials, and I'll see you next Saturday with a new one. Ta-da!